Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's review, we're taking a detailed look at some of the most reliable and high-performing foldable camping stoves available on the market. These compact yet powerful cooking systems are essential for anyone who values efficiency, portability, and versatility during outdoor adventures. After extensive research and hands-on evaluation, I've selected 5 standout models that offer exceptional performance in both casual and rugged camping environments. Let's explore what each one has to offer and help you find the ideal stove for your next outdoor excursion. Number 1 is Habitio Foldable Camping Stove. Compact yet powerful, the Habitio stove folds down to a portable size and weighs just 5 pounds, ideal for travel. It boasts dual burners with a combined 16,000 BTUs, offering fast, even heat distribution. With piezo ignition and adjustable flame control, it's tailored for versatile cooking. The windproof design and stainless steel drip tray ensure reliable performance and easy cleanup in outdoor environments. Plus, the non-slip frosted grates keep your pot stable even on uneven terrain. Number 2 is OGERY Foldable Camping Stove. OGERY delivers multifunctionality with a unique griddle. One side smooth, the other textured, so you can go from pancakes to steaks effortlessly. It provides 10,000 BTUs total over 2 burners, fits 2 10-inch pans, and includes push-button ignition for ease. Built from stainless steel, it's tough, easy to clean, and folds into a compact unit with a carrying bag. Number 3 is Hisencn Camping Stove. This model stands out with non-stick coated burners and 304 stainless steel grates that resist rust and heat. With 16,000 BTUs across 2 burners, stepless flame control, and easy piezo ignition, it's perfect for everything from morning eggs to dinner steaks. Compact and durable, it features an integrated handle and robust construction, an all-around performer in rugged settings. Number 4 is Gonex Camping Stove. A portable powerhouse, the Gonex offers dual 8,000 BTU burners, cast iron grates, and a Teflon-coated griddle for superior versatility. Whether it's pancakes or pasta, you get precise heat control and an ultra-durable build. At only 6.6 pounds with a foldable design and included propane hose, this stove is made for mobility without sacrificing performance or features. Number 5 is Hisencn Burner Camping Stove. Hisencn ups the ante with a massive 20,000 BTU output and both propane and butane compatibility. It's a complete cooking system: griddle, frying pan, kettle, and pot, all included in a smartly organized carry bag. Built from stainless steel and aluminum with heat-resistant handles and stable steel foot pads, this stove is rugged, secure, and ready for serious outdoor use. It's lightweight too, at just 8.9 pounds, making it your ultimate all-in-one outdoor kitchen. Each of these foldable stoves is a winner in its own right. Whether you prioritize lightweight design, heat output, versatility, or all-in-one convenience. From casual campers to hardcore adventurers, there's a pick here that'll match your cooking style and outdoor needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and user reviews.